today we are looking at averages again, and we're going to be looking at the mean. That doesn't mean mean and nasty. It actually means it's what most people think of when they think of averages. Okay, so it's a type of average. So we've looked at the mode and we've looked at the median, and this is the mean. Okay, and to find the mean, you add all the numbers together in the group that you've been given, and then you divide them by the number of numbers there are. So if you have a look at the attachment that I've sent you, which is these two pages, you want to look at this page, will help you, and I will read it through together. So if we look at example 4, it says Tom records how many goals he scores each month for 6 months. His results are 6, 9, 7, 9, 12 and 8. Work out the mean number of goals Tom scores. So first of all, you have to add all those numbers together. So you have to add 6 plus 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 8. You add all those together and it makes 51. Now there are 6 numbers there all together. So you have to divide the numbers by 6. You have to divide that final amount by 6. So you have to divide 51 by 6. And if you do that, that should give you the answer 8.5. So his average number of goals scored is 8.5 goals. Now it says Tom can't actually score 8.5 goals. Often the mean you calculate won't be a number in the list. Okay, obviously you can't score half a goal, and so 8.5 isn't in the list, but that is the middle number. It's a different way of finding. It's a different type of average, but this is the most common average. When you're asked to find an average, this is probably the one that you would usually go to. Okay, and its real name is the mean. Okay, so your job today is to do exercise 3. Now question 1 is just simply adding those numbers together and then dividing them. There's 5 of them, so you divide it by 5 and that will give you the mean. Then you need to do the same thing on question 2 and question 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are worded questions, so they're doing exactly the same thing. You just need to extract the maths that you need to do from the question, so you just need to read it carefully and highlight it if you need to. So remember, to find the mean, you add the numbers together and then you divide that answer by the number of numbers you've got. Okay, if you have any problems or any questions, please come to the Zoom today at 10:45, and it's our last Zoom of the year, so it'd be nice to see you. Okay, be brilliant.